Children, today's topic is shapes. I'll tell you about these four shapes. The first one is square, and its shape is like this. Can you see this, children? Now, the next one is circle, and it looks like this. Okay, now the next shape is rectangle, and it looks like this. Okay, the next shape is triangle, and it looks like this. So, now I am going to tell you about these shapes in detail. So, let us study what is a square. A square has four straight lines. All the lines are equal. Children, can you see this figure? It is made up of four straight lines and all the lines are equal. Isn't it? The next figure is circle. It is made up of a curved line. Third one is rectangle. It has four straight lines. Can you see, children? And the opposite sides are equal. Can you see the difference between the square and the rectangle? In square, you can see all the sides are equal. Okay, all the lines are equal. Whereas in rectangle, you can see the opposite sides are equal. All the four sides are not equal. Now comes triangle. It is made up of three straight lines. Now, let us see some figures to understand this better. These are the four figures you can see: square, circle, rectangle and triangle. Children, now I am going to show you some figures, some things which you can see in your daily life, and then you can understand the shape better. So, for example, square, I am going to show this figure to you. It's a carom board. Can you see? All the four lines are equal. For circle, here comes football. Isn't it circular? Yes. For rectangle, here comes blackboard. I hope you all have seen the blackboard in your classrooms. Yes. So now you can relate these figures. For triangle, here comes pizza slice. Isn't it very interesting, children? Okay, now I'm going to tell you we can use these shapes to make a beautiful figure or sketch also. So I'm going to draw something with the shapes. You can also practice this at home. So can you guess what I'm going to draw? Let us see. Here I'm going to use a rectangle. The next one is a triangle. Then comes joining these two. Next shape is another rectangle. Let's join it. Okay, it's done. Here comes another shape. It's a square window. Let's see what's next. Another square window. Okay, and what's next? one more square window. Okay, can you guess what is this figure? Let's see. Here comes some more shapes to complete it. Okay, a rectangular door. A small decorative chimney. And here comes a roof to complete this figure. It's a beautiful house. Okay, now here comes one more figure. Let's find out what it is. Can you guess it, children? Just watch this figure. You'll understand what it is. Okay. You can also practice such figures and can make beautiful sceneries out of it to make this topic very interesting as I made it for you. Okay, it seems like a toy train, isn't it? Yes, it's a toy train. So let us revise again the four shapes: square, rectangle, circle and triangle. Okay, in square it is made up of four straight lines and all the lines are equal, whereas in rectangle opposite lines are equal, or you can say opposite sides are equal. Circle is made up of a curved line and a triangle is made up of three straight lines. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something out of this video. Thank you so much for watching it.